Okay, let's go watch this. I put down one giant and wall breakers. So 3 wall breakers. Bust open that wall. Put lightning. Okay, next. So I take out all the buildings that can fire. Now the only thing that can shoot is the mortar. Wrap it up. 3 star. Next. Replay. No builder huts. I'm gonna save the 2 rings. Take that out. The rest to clean up. Watch this. Put a building on the outside. Then he clears it up. An archer on each. Just watch. And then he gets it wrapped up. Next replay. Now this one I kind of wrecked. A little unfair, but had to be done for the cleanup. I'm in all the giants because I don't care. And I know I'm gonna get the 3 stars. Early rage. I don't know an infinite rage. I think that's actually no. Yeah, I saved that. Huh. And dropping the minions because I don't care. Yeah. Get it. Got it. Next one is with the Valks. Another cleanup. Valks are very powerful. Especially with rages. He brought all 3 rage. And take out those so they can go in the middle, but apparently in this raid they didn't go in the middle. So, yeah. And then rage it up. Goes, see, they just, if they would have went in the core, I think it would have been, I'm not even sure. I don't know how well the raid would do if they actually went into the middle. I'm not sure if they would actually get a 3 star. Then clan castle, clean up, all that stuff. And then rage it. It's actually gonna soon rage up the middle. Take up the town hall. Then basically wrapping it up for the 3 star. And if you want to join my clan for war, and if you're really good at attacking, because I really want to do good in war. So if you could help me out if you're really high level, that would be appreciated. Then the next one. Now this one, I know where the traps are because actually Hunter attacked it before. It got a 90% 2 star. So I had to get that 1 star just for reasons. I really didn't have anything else to. Didn't have any other person to attack. And I wanted to get it cleaned up. And then, how cheeky! I forgot the builder hut. That could have been the win or loss. I almost forgot it. I mean, I did forget it. I almost. Oh, sorry. Let's just go back to. Okay, here it is. I think I raged the giants in the middle, no? See, they go around, so, yeah, I think that made a difference in the raid. So I heal it. I don't know why I healed it. I think I healed the Barbarian King, which was kind of dumb, but whatever. I saved that one whiz. That's actually why Hunter actually got 90% 2-star, because then reinforcement's very important. That is key to the win or loss. Just know that. It's a really big key. Saving that whiz. I think this is the time when I heal it. Yeah. Heal it. Then I start dropping in the minions for cleanup. It really comes in key here. Be sure to keep cleanup troops because it's very important. And this about wraps it up for the 3-star. This time. Oh yeah. This was so... No, you gotta watch this. This is hilarious. Watch this. Look at the traps. Look at that. And look, it's a giant bomb. And then the whiz just gets destroyed. And it's all up to the giant. That was just clutch. Man, this was a close race. I was lucky that I got that 3-star. I really was. I really was. And 3-star. Next one. Now this guy is a weird attack. So I don't really... You probably don't want to attack like this guy, just record it just for the video. And this guy, I don't know why this guy does this. He freezes stuff when there's no point to. I don't know why he does that. That's just how he attacks. It's a little weird. What gives him the 3-star is the P.E.K.K.A.s and the witches. Those are very key. If he didn't have those, he wouldn't even get like a 2-star. I'm pretty sure that would happen. And then the reinforcements weren't really that helpful, so I mean, just P.E.K.K.A.s. It's like you're looking at it, just look at it. How do you get a 3-star with only these troops? Like half the base is gone. Like half the base is rest. Like how? I don't know how. I think it's the P.E.K.K.A.s. Yeah, 4 P.E.K.K.A.s. Just dominate. I didn't see those 4 P.E.K.K.A.s. I think that's what it was. See, those were useless. And if you're a high-level player, you'll be very appreciated for high-level balloons for war. So it's gonna be a better war. So it's gonna be easier. And just if you could help us out that way, it'd be appreciated. And if you wanna join, it's an invite-only clan. So say that you're one of my subscribers, or you watch my videos or whatever, or you've seen this. Say that so I can accept you. I don't really care what level you are. Just